What's good, my people? Here we are with a part 2 of my 3-day trip. If you haven't seen the first part, and I'd like to invite you to give it a watch, I'll put a link to it somewhere on the screen for you. We're currently into the second day of the trip. Hastings was beautiful, but the whole point of bikepacking is to keep it moving. So, I'm on my way up to Kent Downs, where I'm meeting my best mate Richard. So far this trip has been full of surprises. Leaving my house late meant I was left with a poor camping spot, punctures, hole in a mattress, you name it. If this is your first time on the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like or comment below. Anyway, I've got about 65k to cover today, so I best get to it. Looking healthy, fat stems, nice. God, I gotta tell you, I left this store here 20 minutes ago. I bought some bread and I left the camera on the side on the counter. I got down these like 3 big hills and I realised, shit, the camera ain't here. So I had to come back, but luckily the ladies kept it safe for me, so big up Blondies. Have a look at this. That is sick. Little break for nutrition. I am definitely not eating enough, so need to catch up. Nearly there. I think Richard's going to beat me in getting there. It's been up and down and up and down, and it's just taking so long. It's unreal. Look at this old boy there. I'm not very happy. I am tired, but we're pushing on. Come on. I've got to cycle up, and my destination is on the other side of that big hill. Charing, let's go. There he is. Bloody hell, look at that back off. What's good? How you doing? Little treat. Say hello.
Hello.
It does look like a lovely woodland ahead of us though. Yeah, this is where the tent's going. Just clean up these bits and pieces. My £1.50 B&Q gloves. Can't go wrong. Yeah, I won't be going here. Ants nest in there. Hence why so many ants on the trees. Poor Richard has just put his hammock up, and now, well, we found the ants, a colony of ants, so we're moving up a bit further, just in this clearing, because your boy is in a tent. Obviously I melted with the hammock. I was a little bit afraid of how it's going to work. I think I'll leave the hammock for a closer to home jobby. Head there, feet over here. Looks like a decent spot. One thing I'm very glad about is that I actually dried everything before I left.
Yeah, we definitely couldn't share that tent.
No. I mean, if it gets to it, I'll take you in. Wait, the ground is so soft here.
All the ants been eating it up.
Yeah, they've been doing a really good job of it. Fields of bluebells. What's for dinner, Rick?
Got a baguette with cheese, ham, lettuce.
More carbs. More.
The more the better. How many calories have you burnt today?
Size of these guys. Right, here we are. There's not a lot going on really. I don't really feel like recording after the hard day's work that I've been put through. That I've put myself through. Yeah, just chilling. Richards is my lighting guy. We're just having some beers, just chatting. So yeah, soon enough we'll be going off to bed, and then we'll see you in the morning. Wool.
Yeah, wool.
Good morning. It's currently 7 o'clock. We've been up for about 20 minutes. Woke up once at 1:30, and then had to top up my mattress and my pillow full of air again, and then it was I think a hard wake up from 5 o'clock with a bit of snoozing in and out of sleep. So that was okay. I mean, the sleep wasn't too bad. Luckily, the place was quite level, so the carry matter did the job. But let me show you this mattress situation. This is pretty much what I've been sleeping on. Thank God for this lifesaver. If it wasn't for that, I would have been done. The pillow as well. Tops it up maybe 3 times in the night. Air just keeps coming out. So I'm a sucker. Back to packing. Lovely soggy clothes. Let me air them out a little bit before I have to put them on. Hopefully that will do. That will do the job. What's on for breakfast? We've got some cabanossi, eggs, cheese, got some rolls, leftover baguette and some lettuce. So I suppose we eat the rolls now and then make up 2 baguettes for the journey back. Cut these up into smaller pieces. Throw them in the pot first, get the fat out of them, and then we chuck the eggs in. It's one good thing about these sausages, they are a bit fatty, so you don't have to carry any oil with you. Just let them sit on the hob for a few minutes, and job's a good one. Here we go, look at that. Who needs oil when you've got Polish sausages? Eggs are in, back on the heat.
Yes, that looks proper.
Oh, did I touch you there?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Fuck. You're a hard man though.
Honest geezer. Cheers.
Okay, we've eaten, and have a look at my eyes. I mean, the right one ain't too bad, but the left one here, I feel like there's been a fly that I caught in my eye on the way down here. In the morning there was a bit of ooze coming out or something, I don't know. So I'm gonna have to get home and wash that out. Unless it's some allergy. Richard's got some allergy tablets, I might have to pop one again. Not good, not good. Look at that, that is some serious stuff. Fair play. Got the rations for the journey. Richard's already washed out his pot. I've still got to do mine. And we'll be ready to pack it all up. Look at this. Massive. Alright, so we're all packed away, making our way out of the woods. Got our rubbish packed away. The route is on the phone. You ready?
Let's go.
Come on.
It's the North Downs Way.
power of gravity. Cock horse. I don't know this place. Going up Bluebell Hill, which is all the way up there. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. What you got there, Brad? Another day, another puncture. Oh, it's not looking too good. It's only a slow one. So, what do we do? I suppose we just pump it up, eh?
Pump and carry on.
That's it. Can you believe it? An hour away from home and I get a second puncture. Hopefully it's slow enough. When me and Richard split up, I'll pump it up one more time. And hopefully that gets me home safely. There he goes. Okay, now that Richard's gone, I think I'm going to say goodbye to you guys as well. Whoever made it this far, thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. Please consider putting a little like in there or a little comment, or maybe even subscribing if you fancy seeing some more of my adventures or little trips. Yeah, overall it's quite good. Obviously a bit unlucky about the tubes. One of my panniers has been dropping down as well because it's only held on bike cable ties, but all in all it's over 200 kilometers. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll be able to post some more frequently in the future. Whoa!